Hey everyone, we love diving into the deepest corners of the tech world here, and today we're talking hacking. We're uncovering hidden gem websites to take your skills from script kiddie to cybersecurity legend. 23 underrated websites that are game changers for becoming a pro hacker in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned vet or just starting out, bookmark these. This is the ultimate guide to leveling up your hacking game, so grab your favorite energy drink and let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with Hack the Box, and let me tell you, this isn't your average hacking website. This is the real deal. Test your skills against vulnerable machines in a safe, legal environment. Hack the Box is all about hands-on experience. You're not just reading about exploits, you're actually exploiting them. Challenges range from beginner-friendly to mind-bendingly difficult. Hack the Box has a vibrant, supportive community. Connect with other hackers, share tips, and team up. Alright, moving on to another gem, TryHackMe. This website is all about structured learning. Bite-sized lessons cover everything from basic networking to advanced penetration testing. They ease you in, building your knowledge step by step. Plus, interactive labs let you practice in a safe environment. If you're serious about ethical hacking, this is a no-brainer. Next up, we've got OverTheWire, a true OG in hacking education. This site offers hands-on challenges guiding you through security concepts. It's divided into war games, each focusing on a specific security area. Start with basics like networking and Linux command line, then move to advanced topics like cryptography and web security. It forces you to think critically and develop a hacker mindset. Chapter 4. VulnHub, your gateway to real-world vulnerabilities. VulnHub offers intentionally vulnerable virtual machines for you to exploit. It's a simulated real-world environment. Find virtual machines with unique vulnerabilities. Test your cybersecurity skills in real-world scenarios. Chapter 5. PentesterLab, your personal penetration testing bootcamp. Let's talk about PentesterLab, a website focused on penetration testing. PentesterLab offers free and premium content. Free exercises help you learn the basics. Premium gives access to in-depth courses and challenges. Chapter 6, Hack This Site, the OG hacking playground. Next up, we've got a true classic, Hack This Site. This website is a rite of passage for aspiring hackers. It tests your skills in areas like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and other common web vulnerabilities. The challenges are still relevant and teach web application security. It's a great way to build your confidence in web hacking. Chapter 7, RootMe, your multilingual hacking hub. For our international viewers, RootMe is a fantastic hacking platform available in multiple languages. Similar to Hack the Box and TryHackMe, it offers challenges, tutorials, and a supportive community. Challenges are categorized by difficulty, making it easy to find ones that match your skill level. With its user-friendly interface and multilingual support, it's a great resource for learning cybersecurity. Chapter 8, CTFtime, your guide to the thrilling world of CTFs. Let's talk about CTFtime, your one-stop shop for capture the flag competitions. CTFtime is like the ESPN of the CTF world. It lists upcoming CTFs, provides team and player rankings, and offers resources for competitors. Stay up to date on the latest CTF happenings and find events that match your skills. Chapter 9. Exploit Database, your go-to source for exploits. Next up, we've got Exploit Database, a key resource in the security community. This is the ultimate archive of publicly disclosed exploits and advisories. It contains a vast collection of exploits and tools, all meticulously categorized. Always exercise caution and use this website for educational purposes only. Chapter 10. SecurityTube, your source for expert cybersecurity knowledge. For those who prefer learning through videos, we've got SecurityTube, a treasure trove of cybersecurity training videos, presentations, and tutorials by industry experts, covering topics from ethical hacking to malware analysis and reverse engineering. The videos are well-produced, informative, and engaging. Chapter 11. Bugcrowd, where bug hunting meets bounty rewards. Let's talk about Bugcrowd, a platform-changing vulnerability disclosure. It connects businesses with security researchers offering bug bounty programs. Companies crowdsource security testing and hackers earn recognition and rewards. Hone your skills, build your reputation, and earn cash. Chapter 12. HackerOne, Join the elite force of ethical hackers. HackerOne is a leading platform for bug bounty programs and vulnerability disclosure. They work with tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Uber to enhance security. Known for high-quality programs and responsive support, HackerOne has a strong industry reputation. Serious about bug bounty hunting, have accounts on both Bugcrowd and HackerOne. Chapter 13, Hackaday, your daily dose of hacking inspiration. Let's talk about Hackaday, a haven for hardware hackers, makers, and electronics enthusiasts, showcasing creativity and ingenuity in hardware hacking. Even if you're not into hardware hacking, check out Hackaday. Chapter 14, Hacking Articles, dive deep into the world of cybersecurity. Hacking Articles offers high-quality cybersecurity articles, tutorials, and news. Stay updated on the latest threats, vulnerabilities, and security best practices. Articles provide practical tips and techniques for your security practices. Whether you're a pro or just starting, Hacking Articles is a valuable resource. Chapter 15, Cybrary, your free cybersecurity education platform. Let's talk about Cybrary, a website dedicated to making cybersecurity education accessible to everyone. They offer a vast library of free courses, labs, and certifications covering many topics. Cybrary's mission is to bridge the skills gap by providing affordable training to anyone. For a free and comprehensive way to learn cybersecurity, Cybrary is an excellent resource. Chapter 16. Let's talk about Offensive Security, the company behind Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a Debian-based OS designed for penetration testing and ethical hacking. Offensive Security offers cybersecurity training, including the renowned OSCP certification. The OSCP is highly respected and recognized globally in penetration testing. For a career in penetration testing, obtaining the OSCP is a significant accomplishment. Chapter 17. For top-tier cybersecurity training, look no further than SANS Institute. SANS is a global leader in information security training, offering a wide range of courses and certifications. Known for technical depth and real-world applicability, SANS courses are taught by experienced instructors. They offer both in-person and online training, catering to different learning styles. Invest in your cybersecurity education and advance your career with SANS Institute. Chapter 18. Next up, we've got Null Byte, a website known for its in-depth hacking tutorials and articles. Null Byte covers ethical hacking, penetration testing, malware analysis, and reverse engineering. It focuses on practical skills and techniques. Tutorials are detailed, easy to follow, and often step-by-step. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, Null Byte is an excellent resource. Chapter 19. PortSwigger, your guide to web application security. If you're into web application security, PortSwigger is essential. They created Burp Suite, a top web security testing tool. Their site is a goldmine of web security info. The Web Security Academy teaches you to spot and exploit vulnerabilities. Chapter 20. Hack the Box Academy, your personalized hacking bootcamp. Hack the Box Academy is the educational arm of the popular Hack the Box platform. It offers structured learning paths and interactive courses to take you from beginner to pro hacker. What sets it apart is its gamified approach to learning. Courses cover topics from basic networking to advanced penetration testing and exploit development. Next up, we've got SecurityTrails, a powerful platform for open-source intelligence investigations. SecurityTrails offers tools to gather and analyze data from publicly available sources. Use it for reconnaissance, threat intelligence, brand protection, and fraud investigation. They offer various plans, including a free tier with core features. For learning OSINT or enhancing security investigations, check out SecurityTrails. For those who love online communities, check out the Netsec subreddit on Reddit. It's a hub for cybersecurity professionals, enthusiasts, and anyone interested in security news, trends, and techniques. Ask questions, share knowledge, and connect with others passionate about cybersecurity. Topics range from ethical hacking and penetration testing to malware analysis and incident response. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out Reddit, Netsec is a valuable resource. And finally, we've got Dark Reading, a leading online publication for cybersecurity news. Dark Reading covers data breaches, cyber attacks, emerging threats, and security best practices. It's an excellent resource for the latest cybersecurity trends and vulnerabilities. Their articles are well written and provide valuable insights from industry experts. Whether you're a security professional or just interested, dark reading is a must-read. That's it for today's video. If you found these websites helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments which website you're excited to try. Until next time, stay curious and keep hacking.